buying a home, most of the focus is on the interest rate, your monthly payment, and your down payment. But there's another major piece of the puzzle that can impact your approval, your closing timeline, and your monthly cost. That piece is insurance, and not just one type. Today, we're breaking down all the types of insurance that can come into play when getting a mortgage, including homeowners insurance, PMI, flood insurance, wind mitigation, 4-point inspections, and more. If you're planning to buy a home, especially in Florida or any other storm-prone areas, this is something you definitely want to understand before closing day. Let's get into it. When you take out a mortgage, the home acts as collateral for the loan. That means until the loan is paid off, the lender has a financial interest in the property. If something major happens, like a fire, hurricane, or other damage, insurance ensures the home can be repaired or rebuilt. Without insurance, both you and the lender would face serious financial risk. That's why certain insurance policies are required before your loan can close. The most basic and required coverage is homeowners insurance. This policy typically protects against fire, theft, vandalism, certain types of storm damage, and liability if someone is injured on your property. Your lender will require proof of homeowners insurance before closing. In most cases, you'll prepay the first year's premium at closing. After that, your payments are often included in your monthly mortgage through an escrow account. Your lender collects a portion each month and pays the bill when it's due. It's important to make sure your coverage reflects the full replacement cost of the home, not just what you paid for it. If your down payment is less than 20%, you'll likely be required to carry private mortgage insurance, or PMI. Here's something important. PMI protects the lender, not you. If you default on the loan, PMI helps the lender recover losses. PMI is usually added to your monthly mortgage payment and stays in place until you reach about 20% equity in your home. Once you reach that threshold, you may be able to request removal. Flood insurance is separate from homeowners insurance. Standard homeowners policies do not cover flood damage. If your home is located in a high-risk flood zone, your lender will require you to purchase flood insurance before closing. Even if you're not in a high-risk zone, flooding can still occur. In some cases, flood insurance may still be worth considering depending on your location and risk tolerance. Flood repairs can be extremely expensive, so this coverage can provide major peace of mind. If you live in a hurricane-prone area like Florida, windstorm or hurricane coverage becomes especially important. Sometimes wind coverage is included in your homeowner's policy. Other times, especially in coastal or high-risk areas, it may require a separate policy. Because wind damage claims can be very costly, lenders want to ensure adequate protection is in place before approving the mortgage. Now, let's talk about something that isn't technically insurance, but directly affects it: a wind mitigation inspection. This inspection evaluates how well your home can withstand strong winds and hurricanes. Inspectors look at features like roof shape and condition, roof-to-wall attachments, hurricane straps or clips, impact-resistant windows or shutters, and secondary water resistance barriers. Now, why does this matter? Because homes with strong wind mitigation features often qualify for significant insurance discounts. In Florida especially, this inspection can dramatically reduce your annual insurance premium. So while this is an extra step, it can save you money in the long run. If you're buying an older home, typically 20 to 30 years old or more, you may be required to complete a 4-point inspection. Unlike a full home inspection, a 4-point inspection focuses specifically on 4 systems: roof, electrical, plumbing, and HVAC, also known as heating and air conditioning. Insurance companies use this inspection to determine the condition and risk level of these major systems. If any of these systems are outdated or unsafe, the insurance company may require repairs before issuing coverage, increase premiums, or even deny coverage. Because homeowners insurance is required for most mortgages, issues uncovered in a 4-point inspection can delay closing if not addressed early. That's why it's important to understand this requirement upfront, especially when purchasing an older property. While it's different from property insurance, title insurance is also part of the mortgage process. There are 2 types: lender's title insurance, which is required, and owner's title insurance, which is optional but highly recommended. Title insurance protects against unknown liens, errors in public records, ownership disputes, and fraud in prior documentation. Lender's title insurance protects the lender. Owner's title insurance protects you. And it's usually a one-time fee paid at closing. Many of these insurance costs are included in your mortgage payment through escrow. Each month, your lender collects property taxes, homeowners insurance, and PMI if required. When those bills are due, your lender pays them on your behalf. Because insurance premiums can change annually, your monthly mortgage payment may adjust over time. This is completely normal and something to plan for in your long-term budget. When buying a home, insurance isn't just paperwork, it's protection. Depending on your property and location, you may encounter homeowners insurance, private mortgage insurance or PMI, flood insurance, windstorm or hurricane coverage, wind mitigation inspections, 4-point inspections, and title insurance. Understanding these requirements early helps you avoid surprises before closing, budget more accurately, prevent delays in your mortgage process, and potentially lower your insurance costs. Buying a home is one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. Making sure it's properly protected is part of doing it wisely. If you have questions about insurance requirements, inspections, or how these costs impact your mortgage approval, our team is here to help. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. We'd love to answer them in a future video. Thanks for watching.